The special BGM for Salman Khan, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for coming on stage. How are you doing, sir?
Thank you.
And he's looking
doing
like
well.
a carbon copy, sir, of you. And I have to say,
No. He's not looking like a carbon copy of me. He's looking like a much better version of what he looked in Love Yatri.
how has it been, sir? It's been a tough
जब
time.
खुद की पिक्चर है ना तो कुछ भी बोल सकते हम दूसरों की पिक्चर के बारे में नहीं हम हमारी पिक्चर के बारे में बोलेंगे
लेकिन 1.5 साल लग गया सर ये नया अवतार इसका भी देखने का एंड ऑल्सो फैंटास्टिक अवतार यू नो वी बीन सीइंग लाइक आई सेड कि ट्रेलर तो अभी आएगा बट द मोशन पोस्टर आल्सो वाज फैंटास्टिक जिस तरह आंख के अंदर से जा रहा था लिटिल बर्डी हैज टोल्ड मी अ लॉट ऑफ दैट आइडिया वाज आल्सो योर्स कैसा था उसके बारे में सर
यही था कि आजकल हमेशा जब कोई आइडिया आता है जब कोई आइडिया हम सुनाते किसी को तो ऐसा हो गया है कि सर ये नहीं हो सकता स्टार्ट ही नहीं से करते हैं एवरीथिंग इज़ पॉसिबल ट्राई तो करो कोशिश तो करो फिर हमारे वेरी कॉम्पिटेंट टीम्स ने फिर वो उसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया और आपने वो डिजिटल पोस्टर देखा
You know, it's been a long time, and it also actors के लिए क्या होता है कि you feel like doing something, you know, वो थोड़ा सा the nothingness of the time. I know it happens with, of course, everybody went through it, but especially for you know the stars of our industry. What were you all managing to do in that one? Was there a lot of script readings? Was there a lot of thinking back and forth? But how did that entire 1 year, or you know, say about a year and a half go since say Radhe and now? What was how was the time being utilized?
So I was really lucky with that because Antim has started. तो Mahesh had finished quite a bit of Antim. राधे का सिर्फ कुछ ही बाकी था और थोड़ा सा राधे को अपग्रेड भी करना था तो जैसे ये लॉकडाउन पहला वाला बंद हुआ हमने जाके वो कंप्लीट कर दिया फिर महेश एज ए डायरेक्टर इज़ लाइक वेरी बैंग ऑन ही नोज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ही वांट्स तो जितना शूट करना था उतना ही शूट करके हमारी ये पिक्चर बन गई सो वी वर लकी that Mr. Manjarkar was on our side and this is his kind of filmmaking genre which he's taking it to the next level. So let's see now आप ट्रेलर वेलर देखोगे आपको 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 पसंद ही आएगा ना हाँ हाँ
तभी बोल ही दिया है तो sir please do take a seat and let me show the trailer to everybody right now.
Can I give you a hand to come down?
You, given that, as Salman rightly mentioned, that you got to know about your illness before the film, how difficult was it to actually shoot amid the illness, or was it actually a healing process for you because you were on set?
No, actually, what happened is when I got to know I have cancer, but I don't know. I was lucky. The chemos didn't affect me at all. I had to take 4 chemos first before I going in for a surgery, and it was a huge surgery. But then during the shooting, I was under chemo, and it didn't affect me so much. But then I don't know. I think work drives you. Your passion drives you, and I always think positively. I never. It didn't shock me that when they told me I've got cancer. So I just accepted it, and I said, "Ki chalo, there are so many people who get cancer and who still fight and survive." So it didn't bother me too much. And then all were helpful in Salman. Everybody knew, so they were all very, very caring, and there was no problem at all. And as I said, the film was like down my road, so I was quite comfortable, and I think both of them were so supportive. In spite of it was a change of role for Ayush also, and change of role for Salman also. It has whatever humor there is in the film. It comes out of situations. Humor is not thrust in the film. So it is a very, very serious film, but then there is sort of a black comedy in the film. But I'm very, very satisfied with the way the film is shaped up, and it is to my liking. It is a commercial film, but still it is a real film.
Just one sec. Have we got the mic coming here? Yeah. Actually, you're loud enough. We'll have you.
लेकिन जेंट्स फर्स्ट या लेडीज फर्स्ट बोलिए जेंट्स फर्स्ट चलो
okay.
भाई जेंट्स लेडीज ने बोल दिया जेंट्स फर्स्ट
माइक किसके पास है
और आप बात मान जाओगे हाँ नहीं गो अहेड देखो पहले तो आप लेडीज और फिर आप सेकंड रो में बैठी हो
ये आप कर रहे हो आप पूछ लो ना हाँ
बीच
बेटर
में
हो
कोई
जाएगा
और आ जाएगा नहीं तो
जी बोलिए पूछिए
Samina Sheikh here from Times of India.
Ah.
Mahesh ji, the question is for you.
1 sec.
Mahesh ji, the question is for you. This side. Yeah.
Ah, there.
So you're working with Salman after a very long time, though even your daughter has worked with him, and this time you're directing the film. You're a part of direction as well as actor. So can you elaborate about your role in the movie
My role as an actor?
as an actor and as the director? How was
As an actor, I didn't want to, but actually Salman forced me to do the role. What happens is when I prefer not to act in a film I direct. Because you always feel you can't see yourself act. You can't say okay. Because you're there, you don't know what you have done. But then I did
It was more
and
than okay.
Most of the times I used to shirk away, कि ये scene में इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. So I used to not do. But then the role was nice, beautiful cameo, so I just did it. But as a director, because I've known Salman now for so many years, we have done so many films as co-stars. So I know Salman. Beyond films also, I treat him more like a brother than a friend because I'm always at his home. So, and I know what capabilities he has. So it was never a very, very difficult thing to direct him at all. In fact, it was much easier because I knew exactly what I wanted from him. The only thing I wanted was to say the lines and mean the lines. So many a times what happens is people enact the lines, which I feel there, somewhere a little hamming comes in. So I just told him, I said, you believe in the lines and say the lines. There are so many times when the people go on screaming and shouting the lines and, they jar. So it was never at all difficult working with Salman because I know him and he knows me. So there was I was not overawed by him or not scared of him. So that helped a lot. And I really loved working with him because he's one hell of an actor for a director. So he's
How
very
come,
good.
sir, you were not very critical of him ever? Sometimes is that zone there that family है, so I might be a little more extra critical in a scene.
बिल्कुल ही सर, बिल्कुल नहीं. सर जब सर को गुस्सा आता है तो अच्छा खासा आता है, पूरे सेट को पता होता है सर गुस्से में.
तुम्हारे पर आए हैं सर को ज्यादा
कौन से
गुस्सा?
सर? ये सर या ये सर?
मैं तो सलमान सर की बात कर रहा हूँ. सलमान सर आपके साथ क्रिटिकल नहीं होते हैं क्या? आपकी फैमिली हो तो do a little better job, do a better take. Is that pressure not there? Sir, actually this is directed to you. Were you not more critical of him because has to show a little more?
I keep my criticality within myself. Because then it becomes a big critical problem for him at home.
Bhai is being modest. Bhai is very
I will say
critical about
something
it.
to him, he will go and tell Arpita that this is what Bhai said. And Arpita said, what have you? Then call Gumas around onto me. So, but he's a sensible boy. He knows his stuff. He has his brains in the right place and he uses them as well. Padha likha chokra hai and good at heart. Abhi tak to.
My last question is to
Samina, just finish. Sorry,
The
I
last
interrupted you there.
question,
Yeah,
the
please.
last question to
She just finished off. Yeah.
Aish, from playing a lover boy to villainous role, how was the transformation for you altogether?
I think, ma'am, it was more of a psychological transformation to do something like this. I never really thought that this second film I would have to play a character like this. But I think more than anything, Mahesh sir had written the film, which it was so beautiful that while I was reading the script and sir was doing my workshops at that point in time, it really started helping me psychologically to play the character. I wouldn't really say that the transformation of Raulia as a character from my first film is only physical. I think it's more of a mental thing that Mahesh sir has helped me in this movie.
Hello?
Brother.
Yeah.
Yes, one second.
Yeah,
Right here.
हाँ, पूछ लो भाई. Trust me. I am very happy for him. Very happy for him, for Arpita, for his kids. Me, I've always said you need to compete with the younger boys. Now I'm competing with them. कौन सा डायलॉग? हाँ, उसी टाइप का लाइन है, but I thought this is a line that is suited best because there's a lot of pressure on him. उनके हाथ बंधे हुए हैं ऐसे या भी झेलते रहूँगा झेलते रहूँगा झेलते रहूँगा और फिर क्लाइमैक्स के अंदर when he sees that too much wrong is happening then he comes and stands up.
It's
Yeah, it was there in the script, yeah.
it's a superb dialogue, and let me tell you, the trailer is fantastic
left.
out here.
Thank you,
Yeah,
thank you.
Superb trailer, total paisa vasool. Mahima, I would like to ask you कि last में it's a clash between Salman Khan and Ayush. तो आप किसके लिए root कर रही थी?
थैंक यू फर्स्टली जो मेरा कैरेक्टर है वो सबसे पहले तो खुद के लिए रूट कर रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द वे शी इज ओके एंड बिकॉज देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ हैपनिंग ऑन द फोर फ्रंट वी हैव सलमान सर वी हैव आयुष एंड यू नो यू सॉ द ट्रेलर द वे इट इज बट देन यू सी दिस गर्ल having her own thing, having her own voice, and for me she was absolutely liberating. Sorry, the nervousness is just around the stage. So
इसी को ये 5 बार इसका गाना बनेगा.
So for me, she was absolutely strong, confident, and someone who has her own voice and who can stand by it. So that is something that absolutely inspired me about the character. And so she's Manda, and Manda is the only girl in the man's world, and that's how she is. So right now, she is, I think, rooting for herself.
क्या बात है?
But did you think that she would be able to play the character?
What do you think? I need to know. What do you think?
I am waiting for the film. I'll tell you after that.
Done. I'm going to read what you write.
Pakka. Ravi sir, you know, fantastic BGM, and just want to know कि it's your dream come true, you know, Bollywood debut, and that too for a Salman Khan film. So would like to know something more on that.
Everything is unexpected. Suddenly, sir के production house से call आया. I thank to Anwar you sir. So it's like suddenly it's happened. So I don't know, but I have done my job. I hope it will entertain you in theater. Thank you.
सलमान सर आपके लेफ्ट में डायगोनली है अमित फ्रॉम दैनिक भास्कर. सलमान सर पिछले 1.5 सालों से मतलब ओटीटी की एक आदत तो लगी है ऑडियंस को. ओके
जी.
उनको फिर से सिनेमा घरों में लाना, हमें उन्हें किस तरह का कंटेंट देना होगा? विजुअली बहुत खूबसूरत जैसे डिज्नी की फिल्में होती हैं या मतलब हार्ड हिटिंग फिल्में, क्या लगता है आपको?
देखो अब ये थिएटर में लोग आना शुरू हो गए. आप देखो ये भी 50% भर चुका है. जब आप यहाँ पर आ सकते हैं तो वो ऑडियंसेस भी ज़रूर आ जाएंगे थिएटर्स के अंदर. वो जो हम एक आईपैड या लैपटॉप पे या एक छोटे से फ़ोन पर जो हम फिल्म देखते हैं वो उसका मज़ा नहीं आता जितना कि एक थिएटर में हम सब साथ बैठ के एक पिक्चर देखें. और इसका कोई अगर आप सोचते हो कि ये छोटे छोटे फ़ोन ये ऑल्टरनेट है ये सिनेमा घरों का, तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज़ ट्रू. अब ये फिल्म ऐसा लगा था कि लॉकडाउन नहीं खुलेगा, थिएटर्स नहीं खुलेंगे, तो ये ओटीटी पे जा रही थी फिल्म. एंड इट वाज every which way it was beneficial for us to be on OTT, but we have taken this decision to release the film all over the country and overseas in theaters. Very close to you.
Sure.
I'll wrap up with the last question. आपका हो गया. One last question right here in the front.
आपके लिए मतलब दामाद जो है वो बहुत पैम्पर होके मतलब रहते हैं, ठीक है, और मतलब जो खासकर मतलब बड़े साले साहब होते हैं, ठीक है.
सर कभी घर तो आओ आप.
बिल्कुल. तो सलमान सर से आप मतलब कितने इंटिमिडेट मतलब रहते हैं, कितना लिहाज करते हैं, और कब मतलब किस मोमेंट पे उनके साथ फ्रेंडली मजाक भी करते हैं?
Sir, Salman bhai is related to me, but more than anything, I consider him my own elder brother. He's a mentor to me. He has always guided me. जितना भी मुझे थोड़ी बहुत knowledge है films की, it's all thanks to him. हर बात पे एक respect रहती है because he's almost the elder brother who we always go back to. There's no denying the fact that Salman bhai is a very integral part of our family, and at least in my life, he is a very big part of my family. So we always have to go back to him for even for small things. You want a mental approval because he has an experience that we don't have.
They come to me, I go to my father.
But I think the comfort level is always there to say what you have to say, but obviously with respect. I think there's no pride in disrespecting somebody who because of whom you are where you are.
सलमान
One
सर,
sec,
what do you think?
one sec, we'll just
Salman-
one last question.
आपने
then.
नहीं पूछा अभी तक?
नहीं. अच्छा.
हाँ पूछ लिया आपने?
I'll finish with you
नहीं,
with last, but let's let her ask that.
महेश और मैं वी लाइक ब्रदर्स. हम एक दूसरे को बहुत अरसे से जानते हैं और इनका सिनेमा मुझे बहुत पसंद है. इनकी हर मराठी फिल्म भी देखी है मैंने. इनके परफॉर्मेंसेस हैं, इनका विजुअल जो सेंस है, राइटिंग का, डायरेक्शन का, हर चीज़ का एक इनमें एक वो एक बड़ा ही अच्छा ग्रिप है. तो दैट इज़ वाई. और ये फिल्म जब हमारे पास आई वी थॉट दैट महेश वुड बी द बेस्ट डायरेक्टर फॉर दिस फिल्म. और अब क्योंकि दोस्त हैं तो आई हैड टू गो एंड आस्क हिम कि विल यू डू दिस, मीन्स गिव हिम के यार ये ऑलरेडी कर चुका हूँ इस टाइप की पिक्चर, अंडरवर्ल्ड की पिक्चर, यू नो. बट देन ही सेड यस ही वुड लव टू डू इट बिकॉज ही रियली लाइक द स्क्रिप्ट. तो आफ्टर दैट वी completed the film now. Trailer आ चुका है. I hope you guys liked it. Yeah?
Super hard hitting.
I'm
Salman
glad,
sir,
I'm
good
glad.
evening.
I'm one sec, guys. I'm going to wrap up here.
45
One sec there. Right, this lady right in the front here. Yeah.
सबसे पहले बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इतने खूबसूरत ट्रेलर के लिए. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, बहुत
बहुत
ज्यादा
बहुत
इंटरेस्टिंग है.
शुक्रिया इतनी खूबसूरत शक्ल और आवाज़ के लिए.
इंतजार कर रहे थे और ये ट्रेलर देखने मिला. तीन किरदार, तीनों के तीनों किरदार बहुत अच्छे एस्टेब्लिश हो रहे हैं. आयुष का किरदार गुंडा, गुंडे का बाप और एक पटाखा लड़की, तीनों किरदार बहुत अच्छे एस्टेब्लिश हो रहे हैं. लेकिन जो हमारा क्यूट वाला और इंटरेस्टिंग वाला सरदार है उसके लिए हीरोइन क्यों नहीं फिल्म में? क्यों? एक बड़ी मुश्किल से मौका मिलता है, बड़ी मुश्किल से लोग वेट करती हैं सारी एक्ट्रेसेस सलमान के अपोजिट, और वो मौका महेश जी, सलमान वो
थोड़ा
मौका.
सा हमने सोचा था. ये डिफिकल्ट वाला है, डिफिकल्ट वाला है. तो दिस कैरेक्टर इज अ मच बेटर कैरेक्टर ऑन हिज ओन. अगर इसके अंदर वो रोमांस भी आ जाता और फिर वो गाने भी आ जाते तो ये कैरेक्टर डाइल्यूट हो जाता. वी डिडंट वांट टू डाइल्यूट द कैरेक्टर. और हमने थोड़ा सा शूट भी किया था, बट देन वी टुक दैट आउट टू बी ट्रू टू द फिल्म. अब एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी उसको तो निभानी पड़ेगी. वो मैं कर लूँगा, आज नहीं तो कल. बट दिस कैरेक्टर वाज इज ब्यूटीफुल विदाउट अ हीरोइन.
Salman sir, good
अच्छा
evening.
बस एक आखिरी सवाल.
Over here.
हाँ one sec. No, that's it. We'll end with
One last
gentleman there.
question.
Yes.
Salman sir, good evening. Diagonally 45 degrees to your left.
Top left, sir.
Please.
Yeah.
Sir, rear. Good evening, sir. First of all, a huge round of applause to the entire team. The trailer is really dhasu, really paisa vasu. So huge
Dhasu?
round of applause. Yeah,
धांसू.
dhasu. But sir, whenever Salman Khan film जब भी थिएटर में आने वाली है, so people का expectations is there, trade का भी एक expectations है. You know that there is a benchmark Salman Khan film, that means इतनी opening लगने वाली है and all those things. Do you think so because of the phase
जितनी
that we
भी
have gone
ओपनिंग लगती थी उसका 50% कम कर दें.
हाँ जी. So sir, do you think so that now the trade and the industry as a whole, everybody has to temper the expectations?
Yes, but the industry will come back. ये जो एक सीट छोड़ के that will also go away. Everyone has been, mostly everyone has been vaccinated now. अब ये नहीं कि वैक्सीनेशन के बाद आपको कोविड नहीं होगा, दोनों के बाद भी आपको होगा, लेकिन ऐसा होगा जैसे कि वायरल फ्लू है, you know. So it's best to get yourself vaccinated. Whoever is not gotten vaccinated, it's safe for those people.
All right, we'll wrap up, guys. And everyone here is double vaccinated. You can enter the theater. Thank you so much. I'll just take.
Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, we'll just take the photo up. And thank you to all the press for sticking to the film much, for doing that for us. Thank you. I really appreciate that. We all appreciate that. Yes, please. We'll do solos after this, na? We'll do solos. Yeah, so we'll do solo with the primary cast, please. आप बोल रहे हो कि महेश सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, थैंक यू। I'll tell you when to remove. Please don't remove. मैं बोलता हूँ, बाबा रिलैक्स। हाँ मैं बोलता हूँ। सोलो चाहिए सरकार। आयुष रुको तुम। दरवाजा इसको हटाने का इतना जल्दी क्या है? आयुष सेंटर। Okay, thank you. Now Mahima, please for you. The two of you together. Thank you. Thank you. Sir, solo. महिमा का सोलो या सर के साथ? महिमा का सोलो ओके। सेंटर सेंटर। महिमा ऑन द राइट। महिमा ऑन द राइट। एकदम सामने देखिए, एकदम सामने। मनोज को देख लीजिए। थैंक यू। इधर देखिए। महिमा। थैंक यू। Just look to your right a little bit, just a slight tilt to your right. Yes. Thank you, Mahima. Thank you very much. एक सेकंड। मैं बोलूँगा। Please wait. भाई आपके राइट में। भाई आपके राइट में हो। भाई सेंटर। Alright, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Salman sir. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Alright, thank you sir. Alright, now आप ले जाइए। अरे उसको जल्दी जान लो। Bye.